Everyone's talking about AI business ideas, but let's be honest, most of them are trash or way too saturated. In this video, I'm giving you 10 underrated AI business ideas that are actually working in 2025. No chatbots, no basic content creation services. These are fresh, practical, and you can start most of them with zero code and low budget. Stick around to the end. I'll reveal a bonus AI tool that's invite only but can unlock your first client in days. Ready? Let's go. Look, I've tested a bunch of these myself. Some made $1,000 in the first week. Some landed clients instantly. Whether you're a solo creator, freelancer, or just someone tired of waiting for a sign, one of these is your sign. So let's dive in. Here are the breakdown of the 10 ideas. Idea 1. AI powered menu optimization for restaurants. Restaurants are losing sales daily because their menu listings don't have photos. Use AI tools like Remini or Let's Enhance to upscale dish images from reviews and pitch them to local eateries. Charge per image or bundle offers. Low tech, high return. Idea 2. AI sales funnel builder for local businesses. Most small businesses suck at online lead generation. Use AI tools like Durable or 10Web to generate websites and sales funnels in minutes. Charge $300 minus $1,000 per project. Idea 3. AI voice cloning for YouTubers and podcasters. Creators need backup voices for ad reads and edits. Use tools like 11 Labs to create voice clones and sell them as a service or bundle into podcast production packages. Idea 4. Niche AI TikTok product reviews. Affiliate model. Use tools like TrendSpider AI or Minimap AI to find trending TikTok products. Review them on TikTok plus link to the TikTok shop. Commissions roll in. No warehouse, no shipping needed. Idea 5. AI script plus video generator for coaches. Coaches, consultants, and course creators need weekly content. Offer a service where you use ChatGPT plus InVideo or Pic3 to turn their blog posts or tips into short videos to promote or make more awareness to the website. Idea 6. AI course outline plus planner builder. Use AI to generate full course blueprints and module outlines based on a niche. Sell this as a done-for-you offer to creators looking to monetize. Idea 7. Personalized resume and cover letter generator. Use GPT plus Canva to create visually appealing and customized resumes and letters. Target job seekers or offer this through Fiverr, Upwork with upsells. Idea 8. AI book summaries with custom insights. Summarize top non-fiction books with personalized insights using Claude or ChatGPT plus Notion. Package as PDFs, sell bundles on Gumroad. Idea 9. AI powered interview prep coach. Build or offer a Notion template powered by GPT to simulate real interview questions and answers tailored to job titles. Great for career coaching businesses. Idea 10. AI niche site builder for bloggers. Use AI to generate 50 SEO blog posts. Design the website with Framer AI or Wix ADI and flip the site on Flipper or Motion Invest. Digital real estate game. Now, if you're serious about starting, I've got a bonus. There's this AI tool called, for example, Mindgraph, FlowGPT or privatebeta.ai. It's currently invite only, but I've secured a link that gets you early access. It automates 80% of client work for ideas number 3 and number 5. Link is in the description, but only for the first 50 people. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, or if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these. And if you haven't already, hit like and subscribe. I post new AI business ideas weekly that you won't find anywhere else. See you in the next one.